another video. This video is super fun for me because this is a fashion item that I'm super into and that I'm loving purchasing at the moment. I also think it's a great way to get your feet wet with designer items. I am not someone who has to have designer items. I just enjoy quality. I enjoy the experience of shopping designer. And I believe when you work hard for everything that you earn, you have a right to treat yourself occasionally. So I'm going to start with the first belt that, no, you know what? I'm going to start with my latest purchase, which is from Louie Vuitton. And shout out to Lillian for helping me locate this belt. She is my go-to girl in Louie Vuitton whenever I'm looking for something when I'm in America. She is out of Charlotte, South Park Mall, so I would highly recommend you going to Lillian. I love her and she helped me locate this belt, even though I feel like I still bought the wrong size, but it's okay. So the Louie Vuitton belt came in this box right here. This is the dust bag that I keep it in. And this is the belt. Okay, I got a size 90. I was supposed to get a size 95. That was my bad. I couldn't remember what Lillian told me I tried on. And I ended up getting a 90, but it still fits around my waist. And I may get some extra holes punched in it to like loosen it up a little bit, because I would prefer it to be a little bit looser, but I could just lose a few pounds, which is what I need to do anyway. All right, so you can see it has the Louie Vuitton emblem right here. And then it has the small LV logo. The reason I went with this is because it's less flashy. I mean, because the monogram is on the flashy side. Even though it's a classic belt, it's still on the flashy side. And, you know, I don't mind being flashy. Like, if I like it, I like it. I don't really care what anyone has to say about it. But I wanted something that I could wear, like, everywhere. And it wouldn't be like Louie Vuitton screaming at people in their face. So this is my latest purchase. My goal is to kind of pick up every belt from every designer. That would be like my goal in life. Like, I love the idea of having a designer belt collection. Like, let's say I don't want to buy a bag from a particular brand. It's a great way, like I said, to get a taste of designer, and I enjoy that. And also, I love wearing belts. I love defining my waist. I love defining my shape in that way, and belts are a great waist definer of women of all shapes, not just curvy women. All right, so that's my new Louie Vuitton belt. I will leave prices in the description box below because I don't have the exact prices for all of these belts, but I will leave that in the description box. I think this belt was like, I don't know, maybe $345 or something like that. So I will leave it in the description box, like I said. All right, so here are my other belts. You guys know I did a unboxing on my Hermes belt, and I love this Hermes belt because it's reversible. So I can wear it on the black side and I can wear it on the brown side. Absolutely love this belt. I'm so happy that I moved abroad because I can just walk into a Hermes here. You know, if I wanted to look at a Hermes piece before, I would have to go to New York. I think there's one in Atlanta or wherever else, you know, major cities, but I didn't live in a major city. You know, I lived in North Carolina, so I never really had a chance to like look at the items and feel the items. So I've been wearing this belt to death. I really love it. And the next thing I'm going to pick up from Hermes is probably the click-clack. Little click-clack bracelet. I told my hubby he needs to get that for me. So that's on my list for my next purchase. I think I got this belt in, the sizing is not on it, but oh yeah, maybe it is. Okay, I got this in 100. Okay, and that was the perfect size for me because I can also wear it around my jeans, which was important. So I got this in the size 100. Basically, you need to measure your waist, and then you need to go to the designer's website and see how that's broken down into inches. So usually with European brands, the belt size is not going to be in inches. It's going to be like in European sizing. So measure your waist and then go to the website and see what it converts to. in inches. And also, if you can go into the store, I highly recommend just go into the store and try some belts on. My next designer belt, I think I did an unboxing on this channel here too, and that's my Ferragamo belt. I love this Ferragamo belt. It's also reversible, so I love that there's a red side and there's a black side, and I wear this a lot too. I had never bought anything from Ferragamo before. I just was never into Ferragamo, but what's on my list for Ferragamo next is definitely a bracelet and shoes. I love their shoes. So I have some Fendi shoes that I'm going to pick up first. So after my Fendi purchase, I think I'm going to go ahead and look into Ferragamo's shoes because their shoes look so cute. The last belt that is a part of my designer collection is the very first designer belt that I ever bought, and that's my Gucci belt. And I think I left it over there, so let me get it. So this is my very first ever designer belt. Well, actually, I had a Michael Kors belt before this. So it's not my first designer belt. I say that, but I also had a Michael Kors belt that kind of had a logo like this, but of course it said MK. So this is my Gucci belt. You've seen me wear this a ton. I got this belt is too big, and I'm actually going to take it to a place out here that works on fine designer goods. I got this belt in a size 105, and the 105 is really too big for when I want to wear it around skirts and dresses. So I do need to punch some more holes into this belt. And that's the great thing about leather belts too, is that you can kind of tailor them to your waist. So, and that's the great thing about belts. You can sort of tailor them to your waist by adding extra holes if you need to add extra holes. I really still love this belt, although everybody has it. I've had mine for about, I don't know, 2 years now, maybe 2 years. I've had it for ages, and I love it. And I definitely would pick up another Gucci belt. I love Gucci belt. I love Gucci belts, and I love Gucci in general. So yeah, I definitely will pick up another belt. So I just wanted to come show you my starter designer belt collection, and I will be adding a Dolce & Gabbana belt, I think, to my collection. I think that's the next belt that I want. And then we'll just explore some different belts and see what's out there, because I definitely want to have my little collection of belts. So yeah, if you have any questions about designer belts or, you know, anything else, leave them below in the comment section, you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!